Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I'm back with another Pinterest video where I take 4 outfits that I was inspired from my Pinterest board and recreate them using my own wardrobe. I feel like when I use that intro, like, hey you guys, I feel like I'm like the guy from the Goonies, like, hey you guys. Anywho, let's jump in, okay? So I have 4 outfits. It's giving white, and I'm here for it. These are some really super cute outfits. I think I'm gonna switch up the order though, because I have a doctor's appointment in an hour, so I have to be like somewhat comfortable. I'm getting pellets shot into my butt cheeks, and I am so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay, regardless, let's start with look number 1. I meant to grab these sunglasses that I have downstairs, but we're gonna improvise and use what we have. But she looks so cute. Love this white on white with this straight button. Now, I love a button down over the shoulders. I think it's so good for the summertime, for like a light layer, but adds some interest. So let's start by putting on a little racerback tank and my little white poplin skirt. I don't know what Scout's doing out there. Scout! I have to turn you around really quick so you can see what Arlo did to my door. So we had a 4th of July party, and Arlo was trying to set a booby trap for me. I don't even know how he learned how to like do this, but whatever. He was tying these 2 strings on the door together, him and his friend, to trap me in my office. So yeah, I think he loves me though. Anyway, I also have my like hot pink red shorts on underneath here. I live in these things when I take Arlo to school. Okay, let's pop on this little top. Let's pop on our poplin skirt. Got this. Hi, you never come and see me. What's up, Bug? What's up? No, don't need to jump. Thank you for the nice little jump, though. Hi. Oh, sweet kisses. Oh, sweet kisses. Okay, see you in a little bit. You smell like you've been chewing on your Tootsies. What's up? Crazy kid. Okay, go. He's getting the zoomies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Jesus, cat dog. At least he's not hitting my stuff yet. Okay, you're okay. Yeah, that was good. That was nice. Okay, no more. No more. Okay, we get it. You are so stinking fast. Oh my gosh. That's so good. Okay, that's big boys. That's big good boys. When he gets going, he's like 60 pounds. He's gonna knock me the heck over. Okay, now that I'm thinking about it, this actually would have been a good outfit to go get a butt shot in, because I could just, you know. Hello, my scooper. Hello, Escobador. Okay, so we have, I think he's up here because Scott is at the office today, so he's all like alone. This is just such a cute, basic, I love a good white on white. Okay, next up, my little sandals. I don't know what shoes she's wearing, but I'm just gonna pop these on. I also took off my toenail polish for the first time, and this is the first time I've not had toenail polish on for more than like 2 days in like, I mean, probably in like 30 years. I'm not kidding. It's more of a square sunglass, but I have my square ones, or like rectangular ones downstairs, so we might do these. She has like a black and tan purse, but I am obsessed with this purse that I got from Zara, so I'm gonna wear that. But let's first put our hair up. I'm just gonna do pony. I've been really liking the pony instead of the bun. I don't know why. Okay. And then a little, whoop. Your girl is falling apart today. So you do want to have like at least a buttoned with this before you do like the over the shoulder thing. So you want to put the buttons towards you. This reminds me of when I worked at Abercrombie. We used to have to wear these around our waist like this. Like a very 90s grunge type of vibe. So cute. This is adorable. This is adorable. Gosh, sometimes I like forget that I have so many cute options in my wardrobe. because I have so many. But I always stick with like those orange shorts or pink, red, or whatever color red shorts those were. But this is so perfect. This screams 4th of July. It doesn't need to though, it screams summer. Cute, right? Love this. I think we nailed it. Her, me, she. She, me, he, they, whatever. Her, myself. I think we nailed it. I think this is absolutely adorable. I'm falling all over myself. Absolutely adorable. All right, let's move on to look number 2. I don't want to take this off. You guys, this is so cute. Next up. Okay, let's go with, I don't know. Next, let's go with this one. I'm going all over the place. Okay, let's do this white on white. I love this white on white with like cream accents. I think it's going to be adorable. So let's pop on I'm going to need those shoes still. Let's pop on my white linen shorts. Mine look a little different than hers, but we all know the drill. We'll get it done. Scott bought a ping pong table, and like, I am so bad at ping pong. Like, horrifically bad. I wish I was better. I mean, Scott bought it. We got a ping pong table. I don't know why I have to say like, I mean, I didn't initiate the ping pong table purchase. That's why I guess I said Scott did. But he's gonna kill me. So he buys this ping pong table off Facebook Marketplace. This is the Old Navy like 90s tank, and these are so good. And I have my little Quince bralette underneath, and it perfectly goes where you don't like see a ton of strap. Scott gets this ping pong table. It's like right in our neighborhood for like 150 bucks. It was damaged, like there's a crack in the table, whatever. We want a pool table. We just weren't ready to bite the bullet, but we wanted something for this space, especially when we start having gatherings, like not just all at the pool. Also, 4th of July, it rained a little, so it's nice to have this to like come in and do something. Anyway. So we get it, and he picked it up with his brother like a while ago. Let me keep moving so I'm not taking forever, because I do have a doctor's appointment soon. We get it, and we can't bring it all the way up the stairs because Scott's brother hurts his back, and I'm just like, not today, okay? Not today. I'm not gonna put a hole through our wall. So anyways, once the guys came over for the 4th of July party, Scott asked them for help to bring it upstairs. So they're like taking it apart. And by the way, also this table, he was like, once he got it home, he was like, oh, I should have just bought a new one because I feel like this is like damaged. I'm not gonna be able to really resell it because it's damaged. So that kind of sucks, right? Anyway, maybe he'll get like 20 bucks for it. Who the heck knows? I don't know. Anyway, so he's taking it apart. While they're like lifting it up, doesn't it smash into his computer monitor and break it? So to make matters worse, of course, because I am who I am, I'm like, so it probably would have been cheaper to just buy a brand new one, huh? And he's like, I'm gonna murder you. I'm like, fair enough. But yeah, his cousin was like, hey Scott, I think that's gonna like fall off, and sure enough it did. So it smashed into his computer like monitor and had to buy a new monitor. So poor guy. Anyway, okay, coming together cute. I'm gonna go neutral again with the sandals just because I want to. She has some necklaces on, so let's pop on a necklace. It has a layered look to her necklaces, and when I don't feel like putting on a bunch of necklaces, I love this one from Target because it's just like 2 necklaces in one. These are great. I love a good lariat necklace. Lariat, whatever, you know what I mean. Why is every outfit I put on, I'm like, oh cute, I could have worn this. Oh cute, I could have worn this. Anyway, this is it. I love this. Okay, she also has a bag. I'm gonna wear the heck out of this bag, but hello, that's the point. It's so cute. I'm so happy I got it. So, look number 2. I love this. Giving 50 Shades of Vanilla. I'm here for it. Speaking of 50 Shades, okay. I was in Barnes & Noble the other day when I went to Stonebriar Mall, and I was like looking for, you know, the books that are like the smut or whatever they're called. I don't know what that even means. I don't know what it stands for, but like dirty romance books. It's like this whole genre. I need y'all to recommend me a good one. A first read, really get me into it. I don't care if it's not like the best, but like a hook you type of reading book. I need to know. The last time I read a book was Katniss. What was that one? The Hunger Games. That was the last series of books I read back in college. Okay, so I did read Da Vinci Code with Scott. But that was like the last. So if you have a good first read, like hook me in, kind of smut, I think that's what it's called, a dirty romance book, let me know, okay? Because 50 Shades of Grey was popping up, but I was like, I feel like that's too much, okay? So let me know. I need to know. I want to try it, okay? Don't steer me wrong. I know you guys will do good. Anyway, next outfit. Outfit number 3. Let's go with, let's go rogue, because I think this last outfit I'm gonna love it. And I'm probably not gonna love it, because that's just how it goes. Okay, so it's a very like, oh no, I forgot that I washed my sneakers. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get different sneakers, because I brought my sneakers down to wash last night, and they're wet, and that's what I would have worn with this outfit. So hold the phone, let me go get a different pair of snuggles. Okay, psych, I thought I washed them, but I hadn't yet. But I do have stain remover on this part, because I don't know what I dropped on them. Anyway, let's pop on let's pop on my little athletic-y type shorts. I could have gone green. She had blue, but I have green like socks and shoes. We're gonna see. Let's just try it. Oops, Mr. Oops. Hi. Hi. Well, Bailey, in my videos today. You never in there. All right, let's put on socks and sneakers. So I have these. Hey, you come on over here. You sit right there, and you can hang out with me right there. Yep, that's a good spot for our scout. Okay. So I got these socks a while ago from Target. They were like part of their like Prince pickleball line or whatever. I don't know. Not Prince the artist, I don't think, but they are really cozy socks. Thanks for the kisses. He said, ooh, socks, sneakers. This could only mean one thing. So, I also just bought those yellow Asics. I think they come in like tomorrow. So excited for them. Needed a new good, cute pair of sneakers. Oh, I don't have the like, I'm like, these feel big. I don't have the little like bottom soles in them. I took them out because I was gonna wash them. Whatever. You know, we're gonna just get it done. Okay. All right. Ow, goodness. Okay, so I don't know what her hair is doing, but I'm gonna take mine out. And then she has just a white tee. I don't know why I keep wearing these when they're really bad. So don't buy them, but they're actually good. I love the length and the boxiness of them. They just give bacon neck. I feel like I constantly have to say it too, because like I see that people are buying them and I don't want people to be like, oh my God, you recommended this, it's trash. They're good, but they're not. It's so hard. And that is literally it. That's all she has. She has her shirt kind of like tucked. I'm gonna tuck it into my bralette. Oh, that's actually really cute. That's actually really cute. And she's all like chilling, sitting on something. I have nothing to sit on. She's got her coffee. It's cute. I actually like the green socks. I never wear green socks. Also, every hair that is coming out of my head right now is gray. Such an issue. I'm getting my hair done next Wednesday or Tuesday because the roots are just rooting way too hard. Anyway, this is it. I like her vintage like Adidas shorts, but these from Halara are phenomenal. Okay, let's move on to the fourth and final look. Okay, look number 4. I was going to get a bigger size than these Quince jeans that I'm about to show you, but then I was just being impatient because I want them too bad. So I kept them. So we're gonna put those on. He's like, lady, socks on then socks off, what's going on? It's not like these are too tight, I just wanted them like looser, but they truly do fit so well. Also, I need to know if anyone, when they're like stretch and folding their sourdough or even mixing their sourdough, I wash my hands afterwards, but I swear the sourdough gets stuck in my little finger hairs and it hurts so bad. It becomes like cement and it like rips them out. Oh, it hurts. It also looks really weird that I have like crusty finger hair. Okay, let's put on a little white, ruffly baby doll type top. Mine's from H&M. Okay, this isn't like exactly like hers, but it's similar enough. The amount of, okay, so I was just thinking about this. Two of Scott's good friends are going through a divorce, and I was like talking to them about their dating profile, because I was like, I need to make sure that the next group that gets in here, like I'm now like, I'm not the oldest. There's two others still in like that group. Anyways, I'm like, we need to make sure they're good. I want to pick some good girls to hang out with, you know? I didn't get to pick the last batch. I made it so much about myself. It's kind of weird. Anyway, okay, so we got like a flowy girl top on, but I also helped Scott's mom too. Helped her with hers. If you're on dating profiles, the biggest advice I can give you, man or woman, like first one, a selfie, cool. No more selfies after that. No more selfies, because I don't care. No one needs to see a bunch of selfies of you. Show your versatility, okay? Show your versatility. They did pretty good. They had a pretty good profile. Like this is cute. He looks cuter on her, honestly. But this is cute. Also, I should clarify, it's not that I didn't like the last group of girls. I mean, it didn't work out for them, but anyway, I don't care. But either way, I'm like, I want to just make sure we have some good girls, you know? This is cute. It's not like my favorite outfit. I think my favorite outfit was the first, second and third. First, honestly, my first was so cute. But this is so good. A little tan sandal. I think it's throwing me because these two whites are different whites, but that's just kind of how it works with these sort of things. And I like the navy sweater over the top. It's cute. I need to cut this tag off because it's kind of see-through, but look, number 4. So that was it, you guys. Those are my 4 Pinterest summer outfits that I wanted to try to recreate. So remember, my whole point of these videos is really just inspiring you to fall in love and use what you have in your wardrobe. I think so many times, myself included, I'm always showing you new, fun, exciting things, but it's like sometimes we forget what we have in our actual wardrobe, and if you can't fall in love with your wardrobe like I do all the time, I get it, I have a lot of freaking clothes, but really hone in and try to focus on that instead of just like, I don't know, use Pinterest as like a tool to help you create your dream wardrobe if you're struggling with it. But that was it. Those were my 4 outfits. Now I'm gonna go get my butt cut open, and I'm kind of scared, so wish me luck. Follow my vlog channel because I'm gonna vlog it and cry probably because I'm a baby. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye!